Welcome back. We are going to be reviewing in the next two videos, this video and the next video, playing the C scale hands separately, one octave. So in this one, we're going to review the right hand. And please remember, you're going to have to know your finger numbers because that's what I will be referring to just to kind of get you used to that vernacular. Okay, if we're doing the C scale, we are beginning on the C note with your finger one, which is your thumb. Okay, so finger one on C, then finger two on D, finger three on E. Now here comes a transition. We have to take our finger one and tuck it under and place it on F. Okay, then finger two on G, finger three on A, finger four on B, and finger five on C. That is ascending. Now we're going to descend back to the octave lower C. So finger five on C, finger four on B, finger three on A, finger two on G, finger one on F. Then your third finger has to come over your thumb or over finger one and onto E. Finger two on D, finger one on C. And here it is up and down or ascending and descending, hands separately with the right hand. Now we're going to be playing the C scale with our left hand, and the fingering is a little bit different. So we begin on the C note again, and this time we're beginning with finger five because it's our left hand. So finger five on C, finger four on D, finger three on E, finger two on F, finger one on G. Now you must bring your third finger over your thumb onto A, finger two on B, and finger one on C. Now descending with our left hand, finger one on C, finger two on B, finger three on A. Then we have to tuck our finger one under our third finger and place it on G. Finger two on F, finger three on E, finger four on D, and finger five back on C. And here it is ascending and descending with your left hand.